Babe, hello. Good afternoon. It's giving parang peaceful vibe, parang gano'n kapag naulan. Tapos wala lang, Jerry, hello po. Wala lang, parang gusto mo lang mag-idlip-idlip, alam mo 'yun, mag-rest, kumain, with good food, 'di ba? Sarap, sarap lang ng gano'n. Ewan ko kung ano kayo, rainy season lover kayo, basta 'pag tag-ulan, parang iba yung vibe sa'kin. Ang para sa'kin nasasayahan ako. Pogi! Hello, shall we? In-unfollow mo talaga. And she will belong, and she will belong. Buti na lang nahanap ko yung charger. Kasi gumamit ako ng parang, yung nilalagay ko dito sa likod para hindi umiinit yung battery. Bumili kasi ako ng ganun. Ewan ko kung bumili ka ng ganun. Para matagal malobat. Ganun ako, umabot to ng 3 hours eh. You have beautiful, beautiful voice talaga. Huy! Bili ka ng ganun, Tel. Mga 3 siguro, mag-end na. Kanina kasi wala yung charger, kaya sabi ko umiinit na yung phone ko. Buti na lang lumabas pa talaga ako. Para lang maano yung ano. And she will be loved. I also use mag-charger. It's so convenient kasi. Ano yan? Ang gamit ko kasi is hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Hindi siya yung parang basta may nilalagay ako sa likod. Para yung init ng battery, hindi masyadong uminit talaga. Hindi siya magnetic charger. Kasi may ganyan din ako, pero hindi ko siya ginagamit. Never ko pang nagamit. Sabi nila, pangit daw yung ganun. So, hindi ko din alam. Parang yon yung cooling pad, cooling kineme. Basta nabili ko lang siya somewhere sa TikTok. Sa online shop. Nagpaypay na. Kasi it's so hot. I use that all the time kasi for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Wow, sana all. Sana all. Uy, pero bonggang iPhone 17 na. Natatawa nga ako dun sa memes na yung, di ba, iPhone 17, tapos yung payment method, nakalagay doon kidney. Hala, grabe. Para lang sa iPhone, nagbebenta sila kidney. Don't forget the fully pay. For real. Yes. I don't mind spending it. Oh my gosh! Thank you! Hala! Thank you, Halia! Thank you so much! Gulat naman ako doon. Wala pala iPhone 17. iPhone 17. It's so nice, guys. Ang ganda pala ng iPhone 17. Tapos, bebenta na lang daw nila yung kidney nila, ganyan. Grabe! Wow, thank you for the gifts. Yeah, thank you po. Thank you, Halia. Thank you so much, Halia. You're the best. You're the best, Ayla. Thank you so much. DPWH. Para lang iPhone 15. Oo, pare-pareho lang. Pero iba talaga yung 17 ngayon. Iba. Tapos ang ganda pa ng photo. I don't mind spending every day. I'm on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ay, guys! But it's aluminum. Sa akin, 21 eh. Ano? Anong 21? It's look like China phone. I'm not hating, just saying. Diba? Grabe. I'm on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask me if she'll stay a while. And she will be loved. Binabato ko iPhone 16, 15, baka ganon din 17. Nala! Oh previous ones, titanium. Di ko alam eh, hindi naman ako naka-iPhone na ano eh. Wala naman ako sa latest iPhone eh. Kahit maging iPhone 20 yan, di ba? Wala naman tayong ano, Dariel. Elgran, hello. Shawi, good morning. Good afternoon. Ako nga eh, iPhone ano lang to eh. Malaga meron. Hi, Sir Dariel. Shawi, welcome to my live stream. How are you, Sir Dariel? Hi. Hello. How's your day? Where are you from? Astro Boy. Thank you guys for coming here. Ako iPhone 615 Pro Max lahat. Halya, thank you! Thank you so much! Sorry, I can't speak Tagalog. I asked you where you're from. Where do you live? Thank you so much, Alia! Oh, thank you. I'm so happy. What's that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so pretty, Halyo! So pretty! It's so pretty! Thank you! Giami. Oh my gosh! Mr. Yuri, hello! Thank you! It's so pretty! Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Ay. Kaya nga, ano, hindi naman. Uy, lagi kaya ako nag-live. Dukwe, gising! Na paano ka dyan? Thank you so much, Halia. Thank you. I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Halia. You're the best. Oh, it's raining again. Boosh. With a broken smile, ask me if she'll stay alive, and she will be loved. I love that. Thank you so much. It's so nice. It's so pretty. Pose. Sayang matagal ka na sana, Winston M. Grabe naman, hindi talaga. No, it's not. Sheehan, hello. Katuga, hello. Grabe ka naman sa 10F. Oh, the rain is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Rain is so heavy. I want to ligo in the rain. I want to, to go outside and ligo-ligo to the rain. Right? Ay, gusto ko na ng water, guys. I want water. I'm so uhaw na, guys. For water, I'm so uhaw. I'm so uhaw. Wala nang laman yung bottle ko, guys. Oh my gosh. Halia, thank you so much for the gifts. I don't mind spending every day. I'm on the corner in the pouring rain. Mary, mag-English pa bebe. Talaga, pa bebe ako. Ang pagiging pabebe, inaayon din yan sa ano. Tsaka di naman hindi naman always pabebe. Adam Love. I want the summer one. Like this, the flower. Boses ko na talaga yan. Hindi ako pabebe, boses ko na talaga yan. And she will be loved. And she will Adam